Welcome back to Family Knows Best. If you're just joining us, the Morreale family got 8 ducks in their bucket, which means they got 80 points coming out of round number 1. And it's time to see how the Lambert family does. The same rules apply. We've got the blindfold, right there on her. When I say go, she's going to start tossing these ducks to her partner here. You got to catch as many as you can in 60 seconds or less. And we'll find out who's going to catch the most. They get a bonus 20 points. So let's see what happens. Here we go. On your mark. Get set. Go! She's got one right off the bat. And there's 2. She's got 2 ducks in her hand. She's got a 3rd yellow one. In and out, she's got it. 45 seconds on the clock. That one's purple. She's trying to find another duck, and she's found another yellow. She's got another duck right there. She's searching fast and furious for those ducks. She's got one and another. 25 seconds on the clock. There's another yellow duck. She's got 2 yellow ducks right there. She's got 1 more yellow duck left. There are 12 seconds left. She's got all the ducks right there. Stop the clock. Stop the clock. She's got every one of them. Jessica's going to count them out. How many ducks are there?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh. 9, 10, 11, 12 ducks.
12 ducks for the Lambert family. It's anybody's game because it's time to play the bucket list.
Round 2, the bucket list.
You know, Jessica and I have been sitting here talking. Jessica, what is one thing that's on your bucket list?
I really want to pop a wheelie on a lawnmower.
Yeah, that works. Watch this segue. And you can park that lawnmower in a garage, which happens to be the category clue in today's bucket list. Fill up a little more with goop. The first team to correctly answer 3, or the team that's furthest along when we finish the list, will get to walk up there and pull the handle to release the goop down on the adult. So, let's get started. Players to your stations. Milk, dark and white. 3 different kinds of this cocoa concoction. Milk, dark and white are 3 different kinds of this cocoa concoction. Chevalier family thinks it's chocolate. It is indeed chocolate, which means some goop is going up there above the Chevalier family. That's 1 for Chevalier, none just yet for Weaver. Here's the next description. Scooped or soft serve. There's way more than 31 flavors of this stuff. Scooped or soft serve, there's way more than 31 flavors. Is it pudding? It is not pudding. Take that back to your station. Oh, and she's already running over with it. She thinks she has it. Hold it up. Is it ice cream? It is ice cream. 31 flavors of ice cream. 1 scoop of goop coming above the Weaver family. We have a tied game. 2 more left for both sides. Here is your next description. Happy birthday or happy wedding. This stuff. Oh, Weaver family got in there. Let me read the whole description here for the audience. Happy birthday or happy wedding. This treat's usually at either. What are we looking at? Cake. That is the correct answer, which means 1 more scoop going on to the Weaver side. That was a close one. Weaver family can win it with this one. Chevalier family can tie it up. Apples are good for you. Not so much when covered with this. What are apples often covered with? What do you cover an apple with? Find that word. Chevalier family thinks they have it. Let's see. Is it caramel? It is caramel, which means another scoop of goop going above the Chevalier family. We have ourselves a tied game. That means the next scoop going in there is going to win the game. And there is a lot of it in there. This should be a good one. Even if you eat the holes, you may ruin your appetite with this. Even if you eat the holes, you may ruin your appetite with this. All right, who got it? 1 buzzer fell off. It was the Weaver side. Okay, was it donuts? For the game, it is donuts, which means the Weaver family gets to walk up there. We're going to count it down. Here it comes. This is the 2nd time she's gotten it. Count it down with me. 3, 2, 1. Pull that handle. On your mark, get set, go! They're using a similar strategy to what the Weaver family did. The Cubs are falling off quick. 50 seconds are left, and I think they're going to get them all as well if they keep this pace up. Brian's not wearing a hat today, and that hair is whipping in the wind. They're making quick work of this one. It looks like they have done it. Stop right there. They can be bright, they can be dim, and it cost a lot of money to keep them all turned on. What would it be? Let's see, what is the answer? She says, is it lighting? It is lighting. Now I want to talk to the Blue Crew a little bit. What is it like from your vantage point? Because you've been here both this season, last season. What are you seeing?
Well, this season the teams are a lot more fierce. You can tell there's a lot more competitiveness going on. They're definitely more connected. So you can tell that they're loving families, both of them. And they work so well together, and I think that's what makes them really, really strong competitors. Most
definitely. Brian, what are you seeing here in the Grand Championship?
I am seeing so much love, but overall everybody's being great, and this has been a riot. This has been a blast. Thank you guys so much.
Round of applause for our TCPT instructors as well as the Blue Crew. I got to get back to work for our very last Q5 of the season.